The last 12 to 18 months have presented many challenges, but with that, it also brought exciting opportunities to innovate, to shape the future of the pharmaceutical industry. ISPE plays an instrumental role in the pharmaceutical industry as we provide solutions to the most complex industry challenges, helping us to shape the future of the global pharmaceutical industry and foster opportunities to bring even more transformational medicines to patients across the globe.
In 2021, our conferences and digital engagements allowed us to reach more than 8,000 professionals in over 100 countries. We successfully held 5 virtual conferences, 25 webinars, 2 global regulatory summits, which convened 15 regulators from 11 countries, and introduced ISPE Expert Exchange, a collaborative experience that unites professionals with engaged subject matter experts for immersive, topic-focused events. ISPE has long been regarded as the go-to organization for critical training and professional development. Our custom training program has flourished over the past year and continues to grow. Organizations are finding it offers efficiencies and addresses their specific training needs. ISPE's Communities of Practice platform Community Connection was relaunched as ISPE Engage. This platform continues to include an open forum for all members to virtually connect and to expand their knowledge in the pharmaceutical industry. We continue to spearhead conversations around critical and timely initiatives, including playing an active role in the Department of the Air Force Acquisition COVID-19 Task Force, and will contribute to the European Union's initiative to mitigate shortages of critical medicines planned for progression in 2022. Our Regulatory Steering Council, made up of senior industry leaders and former regulators, led ISPE's input to various health authorities on documents released for consultation. ISPE has launched our operations in China, including the establishment of offices in Hong Kong and Shanghai. We appointed the China Board of Directors, and our product platforms are being launched to support the expansion of the pharmaceutical industry in China, including planned conferences for 2022. We continue to collaborate with our members to grow ISPE's knowledge network. Pharmaceutical Engineering published more than 50 feature and technical articles, plus online exclusives. By year-end, we will have issued 8 ISPE guidelines and good practice guides. The ISPE Foundation continues to grow by launching its diversity internship program, partnering with Gilead Sciences and Nephron Pharmaceuticals to provide world-class opportunities to groups that are underrepresented in the pharmaceutical industry.
As an industry, and together with international regulatory bodies, we must collectively advance and prioritize our efforts that bring the interests of patients worldwide to the forefront of our hearts and minds. My deepest thanks to you, our membership, our thousands of volunteers that serve on committees, our affiliates and chapters, our board of directors, and ISPE staff and international regulators for your ongoing efforts in shaping the future of the global pharmaceutical industry.